Hi everybody, I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop, and behind me I have a really special car. This is a 21 Lexus RC350. This is a really clean car and it has one little door ding in the driver's side door. It really bothers the customer. So we're going to be taking this out using Paintless Dent Repair. If you have damage like this and would like to find out if your damage is a candidate for Paintless Dent Repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. We're conveniently located here at 201 Industrial Boulevard. So give us a call, stop on by, or check us out online. Really shouldn't have any issues repairing a dent like this using Paintless Dent Repair. We're going to start by rolling this window down, using our window shield to protect the glass and a wedge to just give us enough room for our tools to go in behind this dent, in between the glass and the door skin. We're going to be pushing this out from the inside, and it should come out and be like it never happened. I'm going to roll this window down. Oh, that's neat. Get that window rolled down. Shut it down. That is cool. During the PDR process, we are actually pushing this dent from the inside and knocking down on the outside. This doesn't harm the paint. We have special tools that allow us to move this metal from the inside and outside without damaging the factory paint. Well, thanks everybody. We're really happy with how this dent came out. We use Paintless Dent Repair on this, and if you have damage like this that you would like to find out if it's a candidate for Paintless Dent Repair, remember to get in touch with us here at the Recon Shop. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.